always been fascinated by homes. From the time I was in my teens and I went and saw the Hearst Castle, I had the desire to build homes, to construct things, to build things. I became fascinated with green and how it would be to be able to not be reliant upon utility companies, to take your energy back. And now I'm a builder of a great company. Energy Service Partners is very unique in its custom approach to taking care of every single individual. We're not just a solar company, we're an energy solutions company. In this business, a lot of people don't realize the opportunity that they really have to help people. We look at the overall well-being of a home and decide what processes and products would be best for that home. We make financing it very, very easy. Quick application, they find out what their payments are, it's a fixed rate, we do it all for them. Then we hand it over to our engineering department. And our engineering department does drawings that the city will accept, that will call out the right equipment for them. And as soon as we get the permits, we call our customers and let them know we're ready to come out and install their system. We really want people to be energy independent and have freedom to choose where they get their power. The home is one of the greatest investments that a family can ever make in America. And I love the idea that our family working together is blessing and benefiting the lives of other families. To leave your children your home that generates its own electricity, to leave them a home that is safe and more comfortable is a real reward in and of itself.